Welcome to the 8th grade Math Homework Helper Series. Tonight's homework is evaluating positive and zero exponents. We'll start by taking a look at question number 10. The directions are pretty simple. Evaluate. And for number 10, we have the fraction 3/4 in parentheses with the exponent 3 to the outside. Now the parentheses indicate that this 3 has to be distributed to the 3 and the 4, the numerator and the denominator in this fraction. And so the first step, I think, would be helpful to just show it that way. So we have a 3 to the third power and a 4 to the third power. And I'll also show it this way, which is 3 times 3 times 3 and 4 times 4 times 4. Just so we don't get mixed up and try to multiply 3 times 3 or anything like that. So you have 3 times 3 times 3, which is going to give you 27, and 4 times 4 times 4, which gives you 64. And the answer for number 10 is 27 over 64. For number 12, we have 5 to the 7th power. 5 to the 7th power is going to be 5 times itself 7 times. In the directions, it was stated that anything with an exponent larger than 5 can be done with a calculator, so feel free to do that. And you're going to find that the answer is 78,125. For number 14, we have m to the 0 power. This could seem confusing, but honestly it's not, because if all you need to remember is that anytime you have a 0 as an exponent, the entire thing is equal to 1. Now we'll take a look at number 16 and number 18, same directions, just evaluate. So we have 1 to the 7th power, which is going to be 1 times itself 7 times. You could use a calculator, but honestly, multiplying 1 times itself, you're just going to get 1. Not really necessary. And for number 18, we have 2 to the 4th power. That's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So if we multiply these out, these 2's, 2 times 2 is going to give you 4, and 2 times 2 is going to give you 4. And then you can think about 4 times 4 gives you 16. For 19, 20, and 21, we're just explaining what standard, exponential, and expanded form means. Standard form, the value is a number with no exponent. And we have to give an example. The example I've chosen to use is 15. Essentially, any whole number would be fine. So it has no exponent. Exponential form, the value is a number with an exponent. In this case, I've chosen to use 15 to the 3rd power. And expanded form is changing the exponential form to a product of factors. So if we take the original example of 15 to the 3rd power, we would show expanded form as 15 times 15 times 15. Please use the work that was done for you tonight to help you to solve any additional problems that were in your homework. And remember, the key to success in math is not only working hard, but working smart.